Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm NFX and today we're at Goodwood Kartways for our third race of the season. Here today we're starting in P1 as I get a bunt from behind and the green flags go down. Into the first and second corner there is no passing, especially when we're doing a reverse track. Down into corner number 6 on the regular track. And into number 5, I go for a regular racing line and I get doved in onto my side. He gives back the position, but I'm also on the inside. But really that compromises me down into these final corners and onto the straight. Now finishing on lap 1, I take a look to my right and you see the P2 driver looking to make a move on the inside, but I'm able to hold them out. Still, they're able to cut in quite a bit and make a lot of moves, but not enough to pass. I go a little wide here, doing the same move, also giving them room enough to drive. And mind you, this is actually on a Sunday, where usually I'm racing on a Thursday. Now coming into this final corner here, we're starting our third lap of the race. I see less of a threat at this point, but still making a little too many mistakes and shooting it a little too wide. Taking a look over my shoulders to make sure I'm not faced with any threats. Right here, it's so important to get a really good exit down into these final last corners of the track. I think you build so much momentum and so much speed, especially when you're doing the reverse. You need that coming down this straight and into the first corner. Here I'm pushing, trying to stay tight, give myself a lot of space, and able to complete that first stint I think pretty well. Like I said, this is a Sunday and usually I don't race Sundays, so this racers are new, the layout's new, and the competition's new, so it was a great day to be racing. Funny enough, I had just come back from vacation and decided to do a makeup race for this, and maybe some people have seen on my YouTube I posted a couple of posts from myself in Italy and some of the cars that I've seen. So if you haven't, check out the channel and go like some of the cars that I saw in Italy. But yeah, what a phenomenal race. I mean, it was great to start P1 and continue holding P1 for the majority of the race. So great opportunity to be back. I think resetting from vacation was perfect. Taking a look over my shoulder to see if anyone's nearby. But wow, the amount of momentum going into this first corner is unreal. I feel like the reverse track is a lot about building speed and getting the right exits out of certain corners. P2 is looking to see if they can have a dive on the inside there. As I look around, do a full look around, don't see them anywhere nearby. Trying to build up that speed as much as I can. Going to the very edge to the left there, just barely touching the grass. I will say, if you're enjoying and you've been watching this video up until now, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That means so much as I continue doing all these race videos, and hopefully you enjoy the content. I'm feeling the pressure now, making a little bit more mistakes, and I realize here in these last 3 corners I'm going a little wide and not picking up that apex in the last 2 corners there. On the left, I see the white flags flying, so that means this is the final lap of the race. And if we look ahead, we're approaching a back marker. May I say, this is starting to get a little intense here, as I know P2's right on my tail. The back marker's looking to pose a little bit of a challenge. Now going down into these final last corners, I need to decide if I should stay right behind him or overtake on the inside here, and I decide the inside, and boom, P1, first podium of the year. Great racing, and if you stayed this far, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.